Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome to week 11 of swing trading with Yeshe. And in today's video, we are going to go over basically what I did the whole week, all the trades I took and how much I made, how much I lost, and we'll go into the details of why I entered and what my target was. So I basically entered on Tuesday. I always enter on Tuesday. And reason was because there was imbalances below. Trump said that I don't know whatever the heck they said they were negotiating with Iran. That pumped the stock markets up. I knew it was a fake rally, so I was like, you know what, it's time for me to capitalize. I decided to enter where it says entry right there, basically 70K 700 on Bitcoin. I also entered a trade on the S&P 500, but we'll get into that later maybe. But my major play was on Bitcoin, and stop loss was right above resistance. Nearly hit it, honestly, but didn't quite hit it. And I had another stop loss um, a lot further, so I just made sure that I caught the move. And basically around this area, I was like, you know what? It might actually just continue to go higher. So I was like, over here, I was really doubting if I was going to basically keep my position or not. So, but then it followed through, slowly but surely started going down, 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 and it hit my target, which is back to the my strategy is basically just mean reversions. I just wait for price to pump at the beginning of the week. This is the beginning of the week, by the way, guys. And I waited for it to pump away from the this area where it pumped from, and then I just started shorting it when it's at a premium price, I think, which is this area. And also there was resistance around this area, so I was like, you know what, it's time to try and short. And then I entered, and I went back to where it came from, basically retested the zone right here, and then continued to flush down to the downside. And so reason for entry was definitely number one would be, should I write this down? I don't know if it's necessary, but premium premium price. It was very expensive. It was above the mean price. And then I saw imbalances because that fake news from Trump basically just pumped the market for no reason. And then I'd expect price to just come back down, basically, which it did. And honestly, that was it. And then the target was basically going back to where it started off at the beginning of the week, which is this area right here. But it continued to go even further. So basically in total, this is how much I made on one of my accounts, and I have one more position still running. So that was about $400 in profit on that account. And I have another account that I made $600 on. So yeah, I'm gonna close the positions here. So you guys are gonna see, and that's how much I made basically in total from all the funded accounts, which is only two, but I do have two other coming up soon. I started two challenges with the same prop firm that I've always been trading with, which is Hydra, and I got one FTMO challenge and one funding pip challenge. I'm trying to diversify as much as possible, so I'm excited to see how that goes. And so yeah, just stay tuned, and I'll update you guys every week on what ends up happening with my trading career. And yeah, that's all.